Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the video where we talk about the US and Russia. Now we'll test what you've learned. Let's begin. Are the United States and Russia close friends today? No, they are not close friends. Did the US and Russia fight on the same side in World War II? Yes, they were allies during World War II. Did the Cold War begin after World War I? No, it began after World War II. Did the Cold War last only 5 years? No, it lasted for more than 40 years. Did the Cold War end in 1991? Yes, it ended when the Soviet Union collapsed. Has the US ever worked with Russia on space projects? Yes, they have cooperated in space exploration. Did tensions rise again in the 2000s? Yes, tensions began rising again during that time. Has the US accused Russia of election interference? Yes, the US has made that accusation. Are Russia and the US currently at war? No, they are not at war, but their relationship is tense. Can we describe their relationship as simple and friendly? No, it's complex and filled with mistrust. Watch this video several times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV and stay tuned for the next exciting episodes in this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.